Ready? Now, once again, is it part A, and the examiner goes, here, have 15 marks. All you got to do is the minus B formula. So your requirement on the day is to have your log tables, which are given to you. Your second requirement is to read the cover of the log book and take down the formula properly. Here you go. And for God's... Oh, is it? Excellent. And lads, it's just B squared minus 4AC. Please remember, it's minus 4AC. All right. Now, we're going to write down A is 2, B is 4, minus B is minus 4, C is minus 5. As I said, they really want to give you 15 marks here, okay? All right. All right, guys. Minus 4 plus or minus. Now, that's 16. It'd be root 36 anyway, I think. Is it root 36? No, I'm wrong. There you go. Root 56 all over 4. Now, to be honest, the way I've been teaching you guys is we don't even do that step, do we? We just go straight in, don't we? Yeah. Oh, look. Straight in. No nonsense. Make sure the square's on the outside of the bracket. Sometimes that can affect your answer. All right, lads. Did anybody get what's a 1 decimal place? So minus 0.9. Really nice to you. This here is quite simply a simultaneous equation. Okay, so it usually looks a bit like this. Okay, and what the simultaneous equation represents is this actually represents let's for argument's sake say a blue line. This represents a red line, and the goal of the question is find where the red line hits the blue line, and you do that by solving the simultaneous equation. Where they cross each other, there's an x value and there's a y value. Is that okay? Now, technically speaking, I'm only after twigging this now, the answer should be a point, shouldn't it? So if I just write down x equals and y equals, I technically should have lost a mark. I'm only copying that now. Right, yeah. Now, lads, pick a letter to get rid of. Your choice. Is x easier? I think y is easier. If I turn this into a... lads, if I turn this into a plus 4, if I turn that into a plus 4y, it'll cancel with the minus 4y. So what I'm thinking is if I multiply the bottom equation by minus 4, I should be in business. So I'm going to get minus 8x minus 4 by minus y is plus 4y. That's what I was looking for. And then minus 40. And then I'm going to bring down the top equation, this guy here. Okay, going to add downwards. What happens when you add downwards, lads? Oh, this was killer. The amount of times I corrected 45 in this exam. 3x take away 8x is minus 5x. Minus 4y plus 4y cancels. And then it's 5 take away 40. If you aren't sure, dial up the old calculator. Okay. Minus 35. Now, lads, multiply both sides by negative. You can get 5x equals 35. Divide both sides by 5. You get x equals 7. If you want to do it this way and you bring the minus 5 underneath, it's minus 35 divided by minus 5, which once again equals x equals 7. Now, if you're anything like my third years, you're celebrating and you think you're done, get the y value as well. Okay? So to get the y value, you go back to the original equation at the top. You can pick any equation you want. I might just I'll pick this equation here. See this one here? And I'll put in x equals 7. So I'm going to have 14 take away y is 10. I think we can all twig that the answer for y is 4. Now, am I entitled to full marks? I probably gave you full marks by mistake in some cases. What do I actually have to physically write down? I have to put it down as the point. So where these two lines hit each other is the point 7,4. Is that okay? Who got 15? Who got 10 out of 10 for that? Out those that attempted it, yeah. Most people attempted to pick up full marks there. And that's a gimme. They're trying to stack you with marks at the start. They're trying to get as many passes as they can. Okay. Now from part B, part 2 onwards, then a bit of difficulty might kick in. Is there a B part 2? Is there? Oh, sorry, C. Yeah. All right. Now some of you are chancing your arm with this. How many people brought in a ruler would be another question. The amount of use about a ruler was scandalous. Yeah. Yeah, go on. Lads, draw a length of 13. You're going to need a ruler for your leaving cert. A dedicated teacher will be here on the day to make sure you have all your equipment. I'll be on my holiday somewhere. Sad news is I probably will be here. But it was a good joke. Now, all right, guys. I actually went to Tesco in R10 yesterday, and they had two math sets for sale, but one of them was only €1.25. That's really good. It was something wrong with the pricing system, but should have stacked up on them. Either way, here you go. That's it. Would everybody agree that's a distance of 5? Everybody. So this arc here, do a big old arc, because maths teachers aren't TG teachers. We want it looking exactly like the marking scheme. So do a big old arc if you can. Now the next length has to be 12, doesn't it? So I'm going to go from 13 all the way back to the number 1. No, I'm not. All right. So what we call that is a scale issue, all right? So basically, I haven't scaled my ruler to the correct level that I can use the compass. Okay, you won't have that problem. So here's what I'm going to do. All right, let's try this again. Hey, you. All right, that's 13. It's a smaller 13 than you remember. Okay, then I get my compass out again. Where's my compass again? Compass, where are you, buddy? There you go. All right, that's 13. Now I'm going to do 5 here. Right, it's a smaller 5 than the last one. There you go. 5. Now, then we're going to go from 13 down to 12, aren't we, to get 13 down to 1 to get a distance of 12. There we go. And if you don't have these two marks, just about enough. Really should have made that arc a bit bigger, shouldn't I? But it's just enough to entitle me to what I need to do. All right, and then get a ruler out and just draw a straight line to where they intersect each other. And lo and behold, there's your triangle. Now, lads, question for you. All right, I've lost marks. You tell me where. Okay, A, C, B. All right, guys. I've still lost marks. Yeah, no. Oh, yeah, sorry, I'm wrong. Yeah, no, yeah, I'm wrong. Shh. Wait. A to B, yeah, you're right. A to B is the 13, which is the bottom. C has to be up here. I still lost marks. Anybody tell me? Wait a second. Still lost marks because this is actually the opposite way around, isn't it? That should be A and that should be B. Because BC is 5 centimeters, AB is 13 centimeters, and CA is 12. Now and only now can I say full marks. That was a handy 10 for anybody that knew how to do it. Is that it? Is there something else? What's this? Just while we were waiting, we're going to prove this is right angled. No bother. Get the longest side squared, add the smaller sides, and square the smaller sides and add them together. And you're going to get 169 equals 144 plus 25. And then both of them will equal each other. Is that all right? Cool. So that means it's right angled because it obeys Pythagoras. Sure. That angle there, definitely 90 degrees. You don't have to do it. I'm just saying if you were asked. All right. Nextly, this one. All right, guys, ready? Let's read the diagram really quickly. Okay. Shh. Yes. Wait till I do this one. It's difficult. All right, lads. AB. Shh. AB is parallel to CD. Do you know what that means straight away? Looking. That means angle 1 equals angle 2. That also means angle 3 also equals angle 4. Angle 5 will equal angle 6 for what reason? Vertically opposite. So, next thing. AD bisects CAB. Where's CAB? Oh, what angle am I on now? Angle 7. Why does angle 7 equals angle 3? Why? No. No. Keyword. Puts the bigger angle in half. And what would angle A? What would angle A equal? Angle A equals angle 1. What for what reason? Bisects. Right? So you see, I've nearly labelled every single angle in there. Would everybody agree with that? Now I just have to go about figuring out what they want from me. I think they want me to show that CAD. Which one's CAD? They want me to show that angle 7 equals ADC. Which one's ADC? A to D to C. They want me to prove that angle 7 equals angle 4 somehow. Is that right? That's the goal of the question. Somehow angle 7 equals angle 4. Oh, that's easy. I'll show you now. Angle 3 equals angle 4 for what reason? What reason does angle 3 equal angle 4? Alternate. Okay, and finally, why does angle 7 equal angle 3? What reason did we give earlier? Bisected angle. Angle CAB is bisected. Okay, and what does that mean then? If angle 3 equals angle 4 and angle 7 equals angle 3, what can you conclude? Angle 4 actually has to equal angle 7, which is exactly what I was asked to do. Is that all right? It's a much easier way than what you guys are planning, wasn't it? Just label them all by numbers, see what you're given, and kind of do. Yeah, you just mark it on your diagram. Okay, less of all those letters ruin my brain, so I just always numbered them. Okay, show that the triangles APC and BDC are congruent. Some of you, fair play to you, some of you knew how to get your attempt marks. Fair play to you. Some people just went like this. And they said, haven't got a Scooby-Doo, but here we go. I'll have 2 marks, please. And you got them. Fair play. All right? So they got 2 out of 5. There's only 3 marks to play for, and they're really difficult marks to get. So they got 2 of them straight away. Keyword, congruence. All right. Now, I'm going to need my diagram. I'm going to make a copy of this diagram and bring it down with me, because I'm going to need it to do the question, obviously. Okay, so I'm just going to bring, oh, that's way too large. Okay, let's do this. Now, what are my targets for this question? Okay, I'm going to color in my targets. APC. Oh wait, A is down here and I didn't mark it off. Okay, so APC is the top one, is it? Lads, ever agree that's APC? Yeah? And what's the other one it wants me to go for? This one here? All right. Okay, I think we're going to get it. I think we have it. I think we now have this. All right. Let's think about it. All right. Do they have a common side? Is there a side that's in common with both triangles? Which one? Oh, that's an easy one then. There's a good attempt. C to P also equals C to P. Reason being, common side. It's the same side on both triangles. Great. Yeah. Now, is angle 1 and angle 8 the same? Why are they the same? Yeah. So I'm just gonna get rid of these letters here now. Okay. And angle 1 is the same as angle A because it bisects, right? So angle 1 equals angle A. What's it? Angle angle DCA is bisected. Okay. Now, I'm very close. Okay. If I can prove that angle 5 here, we have it. Angle 5 equals angle 9. I'll get you that now. Lads, can anybody tell me, is angle 4 the same as angle 7? Is angle 4 the same as angle 7? Why? It's proven in the last question, wasn't it? Did we prove it in part 1? Yeah. So it proves in part 1, yeah? Now get this, guys. I know this is difficult, right? So get this, right? 7 is the same as 4. 1 is the same as 8. What does that mean? 9 has to be the same as 5 because they all have to add up to 180 degrees. So therefore, angle 9 equals angle 5. Reason being, what's the reason being again? Third angle in a triangle. Sorry, we can't. Yeah, my writing's gone absolutely muck now. Third angle triangle. So guys, look, angle, side, angle. I have this one, and this one. Angle, side, angle.